Magic.
Hi there, my little friends. How are you doing today? Today, we're going to do something really fun. We're going to count from 1 to 10. It's like a little game. And the best part, I want you to count with me. Are you ready? 1. O-N-E, 1. Can you show me one finger? Just one. Perfect. Next is 2. T-W-O, 2. Can you show me 2 fingers? That's right. Moving on to 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Can you show me 3 fingers? You're doing great. Now 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Can you show me 4 fingers? Perfect. You are doing so well. And 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Can you show me 5 fingers? Wow, you did it. Good. It's 6. S-I-X, 6. Can you show me 6 fingers? You are so brilliant. Now 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Can you show me 7 fingers? You are so smart. This is 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Can you show me 8 fingers? You're doing amazing. Moving on to 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Can you show me 9 fingers? You are doing a great job. 10. T-E-N, 10. Can you show me 10 fingers? Yay, you did it. You counted all the way to 10. Give yourself a big clap.